Hi, in this video we're going to take a closer look at the Asus GeForce GTX 1060 OC graphic card. So if you're going to plan on buying an old graphic card, you probably want to see what it looks like and if it's still in good condition or not. So here's the packaging of the card, and on the packaging there is a serial number, part numbers and check numbers with a code name down here. So this is the back of the packaging that you may want to see. In the side of the box is OC Edition's 6GB of memory, GDDR5. So I'm just going to open up the box here. This is the inside package. So here is the box itself. Then we have an anti-static bag in here. So I'm just going to put it on the side. And here is the actual card. It's a bit dusty here. Here's the back of the card right here. So it's got the code name right here. And there's a small section right here on the card. So the coolers is on this side. This is the connector. Then this is at the back of the card. Here's the connector at the back of the card. So you got the HDMI, you got a DVI connector. Then there's 3 other one as well. So we just pull it out so you can see what they are. So there's 2 standard HDMI, and you got a newer version down here. So that's the DVI. Just pull out as well so you can see. So that is the side of the card. Then here's the connector from the other side. You can say it's also saying GTX 1060. So this is what it looks like on the side of the card. And this is the top of the card right here. Then on the other side, and that's it. So that is a close look of the GTX 1060. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.